Hi, welcome to Creator Ash's channel, and today I will tell you how to do swipe texting, set up voice control and record screen on iOS devices. If you are new watching my channel, welcome. Please like, share and subscribe. My sister also made a video. I will show you the video. So let's watch it.
Hi, welcome to TSR Amra channel. Today I'm doing rocket. Please like, share and subscribe.
Now I'll tell you how to record screen. For recording screen, you need to open settings. After opening settings, swipe up and you'll find control setting. Tap control center. Click customize controls. Click on the add icon beside the screen recording control. Now go home. Swipe up at the top right corner and click. You'll find the icon. Click on it. When you find the red thing on the top right corner, means your screen has been recorded. Now, if you want to stop recording, click on the icon once more. You'll get a notification. Click on it. Now the video will be saved into your gallery. Now go home. Now let's see how to do swipe text. Swipe texting, you need to open an app which is used for texting. I use YouTube. I go to search. Now for that you need to hold your two fingers and pinch it on the text bar so that it comes small. Let's see how to do that. I'll show you. So now I'll tell you how
For
to
pinching, you need to do this.
how to
Keep your two
pinch
thumbs
the
on the
text bar. Just you need to keep
And
your
get
two thumbs
slowly
like this
get your two
and go
thumbs
closer.
so that
I'll
the
show
text
you
bar gets
again.
smaller.
Just
show you
go.
again.
Just keep your thumbs on
Get your
the text
thumbs
bar
closer like
and
this.
get closer to your thumbs
Hold
like
it on the text bar and get it closer.
get closer to like this.
And it's like now you have learned how to pinch it, and just now you need to do is swipe texting. Means you have to just swipe and text. Here I search as Creator Ash's channel. Do swiping. Just swipe on the letters. If you just swipe on the letters you want to do. Swipe on the letters to write the spelling. If you write the half a spelling also, the swipe texter will notice and write the full spelling. So if you write the half spelling also, it will detect and it will write on its own. Go home. Now let's see how to set up voice control. For setting voice control, open settings. Now find accessibility on your settings. Now tap voice control. Now here I have already accessed voice control. If you're first time using the voice control, you need to do in here I have voice control on the top text. And if you're first time using the voice control, you need to
in place of voice control, it will be written as set up voice control. You need to click on that set up voice control, and here I have already accessed to voice control, so I am owning it on the icon. I clicked on, now it's green. Now go home. Now if I say like swipe right, swipe right, swipe right, swipe right, swipe left, swipe left, swipe left, open YouTube, show numbers, 9.
I always try and keep balance of activities for Shivain. Even giving him a screen time of 30 to 40 minutes keeps his growth and development on track.
The raindrops.
But some
It was a day
controls
as
are
pretty
like
as it
that,
could have
but
been.
that you
A gang
cannot-
of little raindrops woke up
that
in their
you
cloud,
cannot
happy to be alive, happy to live in such a gorgeous.
that you cannot do it with voice control. You should do it with your fingers only. Only some controls are like that. Open notes. What can I say? This is ever needed while you need a hint. If you want to remove it, type the word 1. Say 1. Just don't type, just say 1. So this is how you do it. And remember friends, these voice controls, record screen and swipe texting can be only used on iPads and iPhones, which are the model of Apple. You can't use them on Android.